Labels are a great way to organize and find content in Airframe. For example, I can tap on Business, then tap back to my feed, and now I'm just seeing entries I've labeled as business. I can also double tap a label to exclude it. So now I am seeing business entries that aren't labeled as articles. Now if I go back and include articles, if you look closely, you'll see Airframe is showing me entries that have either the business or articles label. If I instead want to see entries that have both of these labels, I can deselect them here and go over to all of these, and then I'll select business and articles. And now I'm just seeing entries that have both of these labels. It's worth noting that any of these and all of these are two separate lists, and therefore they can be combined. So I'm currently filtering for entries labeled as both business and articles, and I can tap over to any of these to say they should also be labeled as either books or code history. And there we go. Lastly, I can tap that X at the top of the screen to quickly clear any active filters.